Escape to the serene beauty of Lake Fulmor, nestled in the heart of the San Bernardino National Forest. Crystal clear waters reflected towering pines, creating a peaceful paradise perfect for nature lovers. Whether you are here for a relaxing stroll, a peaceful picnic, or simply to soak in the breathtaking views, Lake Fulmore offers a tranquil retreat like no other. Breathe in the fresh mountain air, listen to the gentle rustle of leaves, and let nature refresh your soul. Don't miss this hidden gem, Lake Fulmore, where calm meets beauty.